movingimage stores about 600 terabytes of video material on its platform. That's the equivalent of about 7,500 Blu-ray discs. On an average day, we deliver to our customers roughly one Blu-ray every 2 minutes. When I joined movingimage, the monitoring stack was based on open source technologies such as Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, and Thanos, and it was strongly focused around infrastructure monitoring and, to a certain extent, also application monitoring. In addition to what we already had with the open source stacks, we also put New Relic in place. We started to see things we have never seen before. Finding the why things are broken instead of just that things are broken became much easier. And I think one of the main advantages also is that it was very developer-centric, and the automation pieces that were given by the New Relic suite, which comprises of dashboards and Terraform and such things, were very well adopted by engineering. So in more cases than before, we're able to avert a scenario becoming critical before the customers notice. And if something really goes wrong, we are quicker to identify the why and, as a solution of it, also fix the problem. Having lived a big part of my IT life in infrastructure provisioning, I was always passionate about doing it the right way and making sure we're not wasteful. So when we did the reduction of our Kubernetes cluster into a smaller size, the two benefits we saw is obviously we need less servers running, that meaning we produce less carbon from those servers running, and that makes it easier to offset that footprint. We didn't do rocket science or anything. It is simple math that we did based on data that was collected by the New Relic agents by default. We didn't have to create any new data. The only thing we did is apply mathematic methods on finding out the peak performance need and adding a safety measure on top of it. But the data set we used was collected by the New Relic daemon set for Kubernetes on its own, and therefore what we did, any other customer can achieve as well. So the savings we made with this method was roughly 50% of the Kubernetes spend. Having observability at hand gives us one tool to achieve one of our company goals, and that's be data-driven.